I know you're tired of asking yourself if you can still make it in this economy. Everything is overpriced and you can barely make it with one paycheck. Well, Thienes were is absolutely. Getting rich in this economy is possible, but it requires a unique blend of strategy, adaptability, and perseverance. The economy is constantly shifting, and though it may feel overwhelming, these shifts create new paths to wealth. Here's how to approach it. Focus on value, not just money. Let's start with the basics. Wealth isn't just about having more money, but creating value. Focus on identifying ways you can offer something unique or improve an existing product or service. The most successful people aren't only chasing cash. They're driven by a purpose or passion that translates into real value for others. When you align your goals with creating value, wealth follows. Leverage skills. Don't just learn them. Learning a skill is great, but applying it to generate income is the real game changer. For instance, mastering skills in high-demand fields like digital marketing, software development, or financial analysis can open doors to high-paying jobs and freelance opportunities. Rather than just taking courses, think about how you can leverage each skill to get ahead, be it a promotion, side hustle, or starting a business. Invest wisely, even in small amounts. Yes, investing remains one of the biggest pathways to wealth, and you don't need thousands to start. Use whatever you have, whether it's $50, $100, or $500, and begin putting it into high-growth areas like index funds, real estate crowdfunding, or even cryptocurrency if you understand the risks. When the economy feels uncertain, staying consistent with small investments is often safer than aiming for quick gains. Compound interest is on your side over time. Think of investing as planting seeds that will eventually yield a forest. Network. You might have heard this before, but in today's economy, who you know can fast-track your success. Go beyond your current circle, attend industry events, participate in online communities, and connect with people you admire. Networking is powerful not because of immediate benefits, but because it builds a foundation of connections that could provide opportunities down the line. Think collaborations, partnerships, or even high-level job offers. Master multiple income streams. Relying solely on one income source can be risky, especially when the job market feels shaky. Having multiple income streams allows you to build a cushion for unexpected changes. If you're working a full-time job, consider adding a freelance gig, selling products online, or investing in dividend stocks that yield passive income. Each additional stream reduces financial stress and brings you closer to your goals. Embrace automation for financial discipline. Saving and investing can feel hard, especially when life throws unexpected expenses your way. Automate your finances by setting up automatic transfers to savings, retirement accounts, or investments. Automating creates a set-it-and-forget-it system, so even if you're not actively thinking about it, your money is working for you. Become adaptable, not just skilled. With technology and trends changing fast, adaptability can sometimes matter more than a single skill. Being willing to pivot, learn, and adapt to new demands gives you an edge in the market. For instance, if AI is growing in your industry, see how you can incorporate AI skills into what you do, even if it means starting from scratch in some areas. Adaptability means you'll always have a spot in the economy, no matter how much it changes. Mindset matters more than ever. Money mindset isn't just a motivational term, it's a real influence on your financial habits. Adopt a growth mindset, focusing on potential gains rather than worrying about risks. This doesn't mean being reckless, it means seeing opportunities where others only see obstacles. Wealth building starts in the mind. If you believe there are opportunities and are willing to find them, you're already ahead of many. Be realistic about your goals, but stay ambitious. Set clear, achievable goals, but keep challenging yourself. If your goal is to have $10,000 in savings, that's great, but also think beyond that, like investing that savings to grow or developing skills that increase your earning potential. The key is to create goals that are challenging enough to push you forward, but realistic enough that they're within reach. This approach keeps you motivated and steadily advancing rather than feeling stuck. Use economic challenges to your advantage. People often hesitate to start ventures in an economic downturn, but history shows that many successful companies emerge from tough times. Downturns often create opportunities like lower startup costs, more available talent, and less competition. If you have an idea, now might be the perfect time to pursue it, even if it's a small start. Save on expenses but invest in yourself. Being frugal can help you accumulate wealth faster, but don't confuse cutting costs with cutting your growth. Investing in your skills, education, or resources that can improve your productivity has long-term payoffs. For instance, paying for a high-quality course or networking event might seem expensive upfront, but if it results in better opportunities, it's worth the investment. Think long-term, but act now. Wealth building is a long game. However, delaying action because you feel unprepared or waiting for the right moment only holds you back. Start small, but start now. Put systems in place that will benefit you over time and trust the process. Prioritize skills over job titles. Skills are recession-proof assets. In any economy, people who can solve problems, think critically, or bring specialized knowledge to the table are in demand. Invest in building skills that directly add value, like coding, financial analysis, or digital marketing. Skill growth usually directly translates into higher income potential, which is key to thriving financially. Use economic downturns to your advantage. Downturns create opportunities. Often, they make quality assets more affordable. During recessions, stocks may be undervalued, real estate prices may soften, and business acquisitions are often cheaper. For those who have saved or have liquid cash, this can be the best time to invest smartly. Think of it as buying potential at a discount. Adopt a minimalist approach to spending. If you're looking to grow wealth, learning to live below your means, regardless of income, is essential. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer things. It's about spending money on what genuinely adds value. When you cut out unnecessary expenses, you're creating an immediate pool of savings that can be invested or used to build assets. Develop a high-income skill. Jobs with higher income ceilings don't depend solely on the economy, but rather on the skill itself. Look for ways to build a high-income skill that complements your current work. Whether it's public speaking, content creation, or business consulting, your unique skills can drive new opportunities and income streams. Connect with like-minded financially savvy people. The people around you significantly influence your mindset and decisions. Connect with those who are on a similar financial path, those who prioritize investing, saving, and building rather than spending. This network can be a valuable source of motivation, ideas, and sometimes even collaboration opportunities. In times of economic stress, these connections can open doors you didn't know existed. Think creatively about income streams. Think beyond traditional job roles. Today's economy offers unconventional ways to make money. From freelancing and consulting to digital products, online courses, or passive investments, there's a world of options. Be willing to experiment and see which income streams align best with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Know when to pivot. If your current career path isn't allowing you to save or invest significantly, consider pivoting. Some industries grow even in economic downturns: healthcare, tech, education, and renewable energy, for example. Be open to changing directions, even if it means learning something entirely new. The future belongs to those who are adaptable. Leverage automation for savings and investments. One of the simplest but most effective ways to build wealth is to automate your finances. Automate a portion of your paycheck to go straight into a high-interest savings account or an investment portfolio. Automated saving is a hands-off approach to growing wealth and makes sure you're consistently putting money aside, even if you're not actively thinking about it. Focus on building ownership. Renting might provide flexibility, but ownership builds wealth. If it's financially feasible, look into owning property or business assets. Ownership gives you the advantage of appreciating assets, which is one of the most reliable paths to wealth creation. But remember, it's not always about real estate. Owning intellectual property, shares in a company, or even your own small business can be similarly rewarding. Master financial literacy. Financial literacy is a foundational tool in wealth building. To get rich, you need to understand how money works, the impact of interest rates, the power of compound interest, and how taxes affect your income. The more you know about managing money, the less likely you are to make costly mistakes. Reframe your definition of wealth. Wealth isn't just a number in the bank, it's a mindset and a lifestyle. Wealth allows you to live with freedom and security without needing to be at the mercy of an economic downturn. When you shift your focus to achieving financial stability and independence rather than just getting rich, you're building a wealth that can sustain you for the long run. Getting rich in this economy isn't about overnight success or complicated strategies. It's about steady, focused actions, creating value, investing in yourself, and staying adaptable to changes. The economy may have ups and downs, but with a determined approach and a few calculated risks, financial success is always within reach.